How to add page numbers in Canva. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can add page numbers in Canva in the easiest and most simplest way. Okay, so to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to go on any design that you want to add page numbers in. All right, so let's say I'm going to go over to this design that I created. Now in this design, if I want to go ahead and add page numbers, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give myself some pages. Now, let's say I have 3 pages over here. Now to give myself proper page numbers, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and search up rectangle. Now, once I search up rectangle, I'm going to bring this rectangle down here and I'm going to make it a little smaller like that. Now, once I've done that, I'm going to bring it right about here. Obviously, I'm going to change the color a bit because the color is a bit skeptical. So I'm going to come here. Let's give it a yellow color, right? Now, once we've done that, we're going to go into text. You're going to choose your text. So let's say this is page 1. I'm going to choose that. And I'm going to bring it right about here. So there we go. So that's our page number. Now what you're going to do is you're going to choose this. You're going to group it up, copy it, and you can paste it down in different places, just like so. And I would also prefer to lower down the opacity a bit. Okay, so you can go into transparency and let me just select both of these like that. And you can lower down the transparency just like that. So we can see now we have proper page numbers. So that is how you can add page numbers in Canva. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.